Hello, and in today's video I must to fix my arm holder because it doesn't close. I also had one day problem with that my button was out and it didn't like to close either, and I fixed that one time and I think we can manage to fix this one, so let's get to it. First thing is to remove this arm holder by opening a lift but not going all the way back with our holder. As you see, we can't open it now, we must take it down and somehow lift this up. And now we must take this button back to the bench and disassemble it. Light interruption here. This armrest, as you see, I hope you see, it cannot be pulled when it is upwards, but when we get this armrest down and push it just the right way, almost all the way back, we have our rails that ends before the click is beginning, so we can just pull our armrest by not fully clicked, and as you see, this is how it dismounts. First thing we need to have is something to put our armrest, but it can't be our rack that we clean it our brake calipers. Nice red rack found, and now we need a screwdriver. We need to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6 bolts. I don't have this one, it was lost before I bought the car. Now we just need to split these two pieces, fairly easy. And thing that we need to fix is our button right here. As you can see, mine is broken, that thing, we need to glue it. But if your button is staying out of its shape, it's actually this pins right here. It is always pushing inwards, and the whole button is try to make its way outwards. So I glue this with super glue and put it back together basically. I didn't record this assembly video, but here we have our button. If button is pointing upwards, these pins right here actually bends inside, one of them collapses inside. Just to fix this, you can just take a screwdriver or something, just push that pin up, outwards, like this. To assemble this thing with the button, you need to know which direction it should go. Put the button and just put it back in place. And screw all 7 bolts. I don't have one. Now let's put this to the car. To assemble this to the car, you must just follow the direction how it should go, and it's like just back in. Now it's closed. Just to disassemble this. Thanks for watching and see you around.